Hello and welcome to Should We Microwave This? I'm your host, Peter Hoffman. Now, one of everybody's favorite snack time foods are pretzels. But see, they don't really soften up until you do something to them, like heat them a little bit. Now we could either put them in the oven, or we could put them in the fireplace. But the only problem is, those two are much too dangerous. I think I know what I'll do. I think I'll stick it in my microwave. Here at the Peter Hoffman Kitchen-esque Fortress of Doom, safety is number 2 in our concerns. That way we're not directly copying Jonathan, Paula, and Riley McIlwain. And, oh yeah, Jory Caron. So, anyway, here is our lovely Kenmore microwave, Brittany. Oh, she's curvaceous, isn't she? She's so elegant. She's plainly lit. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at the inside of her. Oh, yeah. So nice and bright. She rotates. Yeah, she shakes it. So yeah, in go the microwavable cheese-filled pretzels. See? It's time for lunch. Wonder how long we should stick it in there for. Let's try 40 seconds. Alright, go. Come on. Here's our little barrier. Alright. You can see them in there. They're not really doing anything right now. 15 seconds left on the clock. Oh, I think I heard it sizzle. Yeah, they're sizzling. Yep, sizzle. Oh, and they're done. Alright. Alright. Let's open this baby up. Oh, wow. They look like little guinea pigs. They've just been microwaved and filled with cheese. There they go. Ew, there's yellow Martian. Ew, look at that. That's disgusting. Looks like it had like an artery burst or something. So yeah. Soon we'll taste the delectable results. Thank you for watching our first episode of Should We Microwave This? I'm your host, Peter Hoffman.